Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you demo of Semi-Smart Smart Aroma Oil Diffuser. If you wish to purchase this product, I have provided a link in video description box. Before going ahead, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe it now. Before going into demo, let's understand the benefits of essential oil used in the diffuser. Not only these essential oils spread good aroma in your home, they also have therapeutic values. Along with spreading good fragrance, one essential oil can help you to improve your sleep. Essential oil like lavender can help you sleep better. 2. Essential oil can reduce your stress level. Essential oil like rose can help you calm down and reduce anxiety level. 3. Essential oils can help to kill airborne germs. Essential oils like peppermint can prevent cough and cold, and essential oil like lemon can reduce severity of viruses. 4. Essential oil can keep insects away. Now that you have understood the benefits of essential oil, let's understand the benefits of diffuser. Diffuser is the best way to disperse essential oils. Diffuser also helps to humidify the air, along with freshening up the air without any side effects of harmful chemicals, unlike most of the air fresheners which contains harmful chemicals. Now that you have understood the benefits of diffuser and essential oil, let's see how this diffuser works. This is Semi-Smart Smart Aroma Air Diffuser. This also works as a humidifier. It also has a LED lamp which can be used as a night lamp. You can change the color of LED lamp as per your mood. This is the diffuser tank. You can pour water and 5 to 6 drops of essential oil as per the quantity of water you are adding in this tank. Make sure you do not add mineral water in this tank. As I told you, each essential oil has different benefits, so you can use any essential oil as per your requirement. This aromatic diffuser uses ultrasonic waves to vaporize water and essential oil to produce fragrant mist. This is the mist outlet. You can change the setting of mist mode from big to small or switch it off. This is the indicating light for timer. This is the button to set timer. You can set timer for 1 hour, 3 hours or continuous mode. In continuous mode, make sure you do not use it for more than 8 hours. This is the button for setting LED light color. This is the power button. To reset and connect it to Wi-Fi, you need to press and hold this button for 3 seconds. This is a smart diffuser, so you can control this diffuser through Smart Life app installed in your phone. Also, you can control this diffuser through voice assistant like Google Home and Alexa. Now let me show you a demo. I have already added water. Now let me add this lavender essential oil. Now let me switch it on. Now you can see I have turned on the diffuser. Now let me add this in Smart Life app and show you how it works. Light is blinking. Now let me add this in Smart Life app. So for this, in the Smart Life app, you need to add the device. Click on this add button. Now select home appliances. Now select the humidifier. Now here you need to confirm whether the device is blinking rapidly or not. So I'll confirm here. Here you need to give your Wi-Fi password. I'll give the password and confirm. And now you can see it's connecting. So now the device is added successfully. Now let's control this through Smart Life app. I'll switch it on. From the power button, I'll switch it on. So you can see it's turned on. Now let's change the mist mode. Currently you can see it's small mode. I'll change it to big mode. So from here, spray timer, you can change the timer setting. You can select 1 hour, 3 hour. So now let's change the LED light color. You can see currently it's red. I'll change the color to blue. You can select any color as per your mood. Now let's turn off the LED light. So you can see I am able to turn off the LED light through the Smart Life app. Let me turn it on. So now let's change the mode. Now you can see it's gradient mode. The light. This is the night light mode. So you can also change the brightness of this LED light. I'll change the color and then I'll show you the color brightness of light. So currently it's 100%. Now I'll reduce the brightness of light to 4%. Now let me increase it again. So now you can see from Smart Life app we can control this diffuser. Now let me control it through Google Home. Since my Smart Life account is already linked with my Google Home, whenever I add any new device in Smart Life app, it automatically gets added in Google Home. I have already made a video on how to add smart devices in Google Home. You can check it on my channel. Now let me control this through Google Home. Okay Google, turn off aroma diffuser.
Sure, turning the aroma diffuser off.
So you can see through Google we can turn it off. Now let me turn it on. Okay Google, turn on aroma diffuser.
Alright, turning the aroma diffuser on.
Diffuser not only helps in freshening up the air but also has health benefits, so it's a worth buy. Another plus point of diffuser is it humidifies the air, so it comes in handy if you're using room heater during winter season, which causes dryness. So using diffuser along with room heater can keep the air moist, so thereby not causing dryness. Hope this video is useful for you. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. We'll be back with a new video soon. Thanks for watching.